As officially my holiday has started now, after so many months of working, I've decided to be on holiday for a month, or maybe just 2 weeks. I don't know about it yet. But today is the first day back home, and after I drove some very special person to work, I decided to do something that I haven't done in a very long time, and that is go to Callista and feed the birds here. And you can see already that I'm being inspected by the birds because they expect me to feed them. And that is the special thing about this place. You feed birds. So I'll just put my camera down now. Yeah, I'll put the camera down and get you something to eat. Let's see. There you go, honey. Oh. And as I'm the first person here, I'm being attacked now by birds. Oh, ha, ha. I am actually being attacked right now. And I think they love specific seeds best. Oh my god!